How we doing, Elijah? Here, look at that bird feed for the birds. It's organic suet from cow fat. That's a healthy little treat right there for some happy little birds. After a long winter, that's what they need. Need some help. Better than that store-bought feed. No, thank you. No, thank you. Got a chunk of ham and a big chunk of suet. We're gonna take turns. March 3rd. Oh yeah, one out, one in. Here we go. Super zoom. Oh, got a nice chunk. Oh, that super beak pecked it right off. Who's next? Someone's coming. Back to that super sun.